Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now today I am going to discuss current affairs of 1st October 2020. Now let's start with question number 1. Under Unlock 5.0 guidelines, cinema halls and theatres will reopen in India from which date? Option A, October 31st. Option B, October 15th. Option C, October 20th. And option D, October 22nd. Here the correct answer is option number B, October 15th. From October 15th, the Unlock 5.0 guidelines, cinema hall and theatres will reopen in India. Now, question number 2. Which country will launch the world's first asteroid mining robot into space in November 2020? Option A, US. Option B, Japan. Option C, Russia. Option D, China. The correct answer of this question is option number D, China. Chinese private company Origin Space is planning to send out the world's first asteroid mining robot into space in November 2020. The robot has been named Asteroid Mining Robot by space startup. Now, question number 3. The United States has announced fresh sanctions. Option A, North Korea. Option B, Iraq. Option C, Turkey. And option D, Syria. Here the correct answer is option number D, Syria. United has announced fresh sanctions against individuals from Syria. Now, question 4. Which party will be launching a Kisan Yatra in protest against Centre's new farm laws? Option A, SED. Option B, INC. Option C, BSP. And option D, Shiv Sena. The correct answer of this is option B, INC. The Indian National Congress is launching a Kisan Yatra from Punjab against the recent farm reform bills. The yatra will begin the week from Punjab Sangrur district and will end in Delhi, covering various districts of Punjab and Haryana. Now question number 5. ISRO is planning to launch a space mission to which planet in 2025? Option A, Mars. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Saturn. And option D, Venus. The correct answer of this question is Venus. ISRO is planning to launch space mission to Venus in 2025 along with participation from French Space Agency CNES, the National Centre for Space Studies. Now question number 6. The DGCA has extended the suspension of scheduled international commercial passenger flights till when? Option A, 15th October. Option B, 20 October. Option C, 31st October. And option D, 25th of October. The correct answer of this question is option C, 31st October. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation have decided to extend the suspension of scheduled international commercial passengers service to and from India till 31st October 2020. Now question number 7. What is zombie fire? Option A, fire that has no known source. Option B, fire that has smolders underground and resonate when weather warms. Option C, fire that is caused by zombies alien. And option D, fire that blazes in uninhabited areas. The correct answer of this question is option B, fire that has smolders underground and regnates when weather warms. The zombie fire is a fire that is left over from the previous growing season that can grow into the reach of organic materials beneath the surface that is made up of carbon rich peat and smolder under the snowpack throughout the frigid winter. When the weather warms, the fire ignites and refuses to die, as per a study by scientists from the Institute of Arctic and Alpine Research at the University of Colorado in the United States. Now question number 8. Which two among the following former Soviet republics are the brink of war? former Soviet republics are at the brink of war? Option A, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Option B, Ukraine and Georgia. Option C, Zaristan and Kazakhstan. Option D, Russia and Uzbekistan. Correct answer of this question is option A, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Armenia and Azerbaijan, two former Soviet republics, have been locked in a decades-long territorial dispute with deadly fighting erupting recently. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Now finish. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.